is Bongiwe and Mbili. I'm the Functions Manager at BNE Conference Center. So I'm the mentee with my mentor Simo. Now I've met her on our first session, first met her on Mbili.
My name is Sikhosana. I am the Human Capital Business Partner at Isuzu Motors South Africa. I am the mentor to Bongi. So when I first met Bongi, in our very first meeting, I was actually late for that meeting, and I realized that she was stressing out because everybody else had met their mentor and they were already interacting, and she was busy waiting for me. So as I was coming through myself, I was also anxious because no one knew who they were going to be paired with. So I also didn't know. So I was also anxious to find out who's this person that I've been paired with. And a lot of thoughts went to my mind as to, are we going to click? Are we going to have, some things in common? But as soon as I met her on that day, when I walked in, I could see that she was looking around because she was looking for her mentor. And then we met. And I mean, right from the very first moment, I could see that we were a perfect match. We even said to John, how does he do it? Because we didn't choose any names. We just selected profiles that we felt were, in comparison to us, and profiles that we felt that it's people that had something in common with us. So, but when he then did the final matching, it was so perfect. And right from the very first meeting, we clicked. We enjoyed our conversation, we interacted, and both of us were very excited about the journey that we are going to walk together.
So I've grown so much with Simo. I've learned a lot. She's been good to me. She taught me a lot. With our meetings, I can see that there's so much potential that she's been leading me to. And also, I want to thank Mbili for being so supportive, and so I want to thank them for putting me in this program, because I've come a long way with Mbili. First of all, I must say that, because I was, before I started being a functions manager in this company, which is BNE Conference Center, I was the intern placed by Mbili at BNE Conference Center, an intern for 12 months. Then I became permanent at BNE Conference Center, I'm so happy for that, and I also appreciate that.
My main goal was to make sure that Ubongi on a personal level is going to be Ubongi that she can merge with her professional level, in terms of trying to find out what Bongi is passionate about personally, and how can she then merge that Bongi into her professional life. We've had lots of meetings talking about her own personal goals and her own professional goals, and trying to see where these two can meet. I know it's not an easy journey, because you are stretched, you are asked to think outside the box, you are asked to be always in your mind space, trying to understand yourself as an individual and where you're going. It's not always an easy journey, but I must say Ubongi has taken each and every meeting that we've had very seriously, and she's learned a lot from the meetings that we've had. And we've set goals, and she's tried very hard to work on those goals. You could see with every meeting that we have, she comes prepared. She knows exactly what she wants, and she's trying her best to work on every goal that she has set herself for. For me at this stage, I'm very happy. I'm in a good space with the progress that we've made. Also understanding that as much as the program is going to come to an end in April, but from my side, I have made that very clear to her that I would really love to continue with the journey with her, because if I look at her goals, if I look at her dreams, if I look at her aspirations, they are long term. So I would really appreciate to be part of the journey, to see her still working through her goals, still working through her vision, and maybe see some of those things come to fruition. So that's where we at this stage, me and Bongi. I'm not sure, depending on her, the journey could continue from here, and that's what we are here today to discuss. What is the road ahead? So that's our title today. We said we are going to be discussing what is the road ahead.
She really helped me a lot, and as I mentioned, that I've grown so much from the day one up until now. So today we are focusing on where to from now. So yeah, that's our journey. Thank you so much.